Hi everyone, this is Nat from Noveluz, and today I'm going to be showing some Showit basic functionality. So if you have just acquired Showit and you don't know how to use it yet, this is the time to learn. And I'm going to be starting with basic stuff. So let's say you already logged in, and here you have all of your pages. Basically, how Showit works is that we have in the left side some settings, and in the right side there's also something to edit. So, for example, this first part here is going to be about your website. You can edit the site settings here. You can also edit the design settings of your whole website and see the media library. So, all of the stock images that you have, anything related to media, is going to be in the media library. Starting with the site settings, so you can name your website, and that is going to be related to your SEO as well, because it's going to be your site name. So every time someone searches for you, this is also a way to find you. And here is the place that you're going to put your custom domain. I always recommend to use GoDaddy to purchase your domain. And then here you're going to be setting up your custom domain. If you have a favicon, that is like an icon that appears on top of your website URL, you can add your favicon here. And this is also very good for SEO, for site settings in general. So it's something that I recommend doing. Um, and this is going to be your URL slug. So also another way to find you, because this is going to appear on your website URL. And you can select the site language. So if you use any other type of language, you can use it, you can select it here. And this is going to be how your URL is going to be published. And that's how you're going to preview it before you publish it. So if you have a blog, there's also a way to do a blog domain separately, and this is going to be here. Third party. So for example, I don't know how, if you use any type of SEO settings, if you use any type of analytics, if you have a CRM, but either way, if you do have Google Analytics, this is something really good from Showit, is that you can put in third party your measurement ID. And this is something related to digital marketing, to marketing in general. So you can create your Google Analytics, and you can track all of everything that happens in your website, everything that people clicks on, if they leave the page early, so you understand what is happening with your users. And the way to do it is putting your measurement ID from Google Analytics in here. And here on social, you can link all of your social links here. So I don't know if you use Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, YouTube, X, anything that you use, you can put it here. And then later on, if your design contains social link placeholders, they are going to be used from the ones that are here. So this is from the first part here, site settings, design settings, and the media library. Going on, we have the pages. So here is going to be the place where you have all of your website pages. Usually there are some pages that are essential to any website, and that is home, a coming soon page, or a page not found is important to have because of user experience and everything. An about page, that is going to be about you or your company or both. A contact page, and services page. So that can be resources, can be services, but anything related to that, what you offer, the goal of your website. And then you're going to find them here, and this is where you can edit them. So this is very important, because when you click on it and it's blue, that means that you are in the page that you're clicking on. And here you can go to page, and you can see all of your sections. And that's important because it's better for you to organize your sections. Always organize your sections, because then you're going to be able to understand what section is what. And then you can just, like, if you're not finding something, or if you need to edit or delete something specific, you can see here in your sections. And also to do mobile friendly websites, I always recommend doing mobile first, but that's another talk. But to do mobile friendly, you need to have your sections very organized, because then if you want something that's only on computer, then you can click on here. If you want something only in mobile, then you can click on here. This is very important. Always organize your sections. Name your sections to know everything that goes in your website. And also, if you have a blog, it's going to be separate from the pages, because the blog there is going to be connected to WordPress. So you're probably going to have an account in WordPress where you can connect your blog. And here in Showit, you're going to just design the aspects of your blog. But every time you're going to post a new blog, make a new blog post, that's going to be on WordPress. So it's separate. You're going to connect them here, but you're not going to be editing like weekly or bi-weekly. I don't know how you post your blogs here. It's going to be on WordPress. So here is just going to be a blog template, and then you can create the whole blog, a single post, how it's going to look like, the page, how it's going to look like, and a 404 if that ever happens. And we also have site canvases. So basically the site canvases are in every page. They are like, you can just copy and paste the site canvases in every page, and you can be reusing them constantly. So you don't need to create every time the same section, the same canvas in each one of the pages. So for example, a menu you're gonna have in every page, of course. So you can just have one site canvas and put it to be in every page, and it's going to appear there. And if you don't want it in some specific page, that's also possible to make it here. So also Instagram, if you want to have your Instagram slug down in your page, you can put it as a site canvas like this. Contact as well, you can have a contact in different pages. That's totally fine. The navigation is very important. So, and also the footer. Always have a footer. And then you can have a canvas set, like a header and a footer together. They're going to go together. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for the first part of Show It. Stay tuned for the next one.